Hey guys, we're continuing on with our abs shootout. So today we're looking directly into Pamela Reif's six-pack abs, and that's her most popular video. And we're stacking her up next to CHLOE TING and MADFIT to see who has the best ab workout there for you. If this is your first time on my channel, thanks so much for coming. My name is Ashley, and this channel is all about being healthy and getting fit, whether that's through my own workouts or doing reviews just like this. So let's dive into Pamela Reif. Who is she? So she is a YouTuber and fitness influencer. When she was younger, she was a dancer, but now she's transitioned into this YouTube lifestyle where she gives free workouts online as well as through different social media platforms. Today, we're gonna look at 5 different components to be able to stack her up against CHLOE TING and MADFIT. And those 5 are the workout itself. How difficult is it? Is it sustainable? Is it fun? Do we like the music? In general, is the workout plans that she put together a sustainable type of plan that you can continue to do over and over for a long period of time? Does she have an easy and simple workout plan to follow? What type of community is involved with Pamela Reif? Do you get the support that you need? And then last but certainly not least, we're gonna look at sort of the diet and meal plans that she provides. First things first, let's hop into this workout. I'm really excited to test this out and see how difficult it is. So I'm gonna give you guys my honest feedback through the workout as well as after, and we'll see how it goes. I was wondering the whole time when I was gonna get a break. So yeah, that's a pretty intense 10-minute straight ab workout. I'm absolutely sweaty. I would not at all say that's a beginner level. So if you're just starting to get into fitness, this would be really difficult. Absolutely no breaks. You just continue through the whole time. So I know that she says she has beginner ones and maybe there are some breaks there. I'd have to do a little more research, but for this 6-pack abs workout that she did, pretty difficult, you guys. So just again, depends on where you are and if you hit that pause button, but the continued planks at the end. I even read comments saying like, why are my arms hurting? But planks are a huge workout for your arms and your core, so you'd feel it all through here as well. But I really enjoyed it, but I stay very active, so I think my fitness level is pretty high, and that was a difficult 10-minute straight ab workout. So let's move on to the next section. But you guys, that's a tough one. Let's talk about how sustainable Pamela Reif's workouts are. So these were very difficult with not a lot of breaks. So I think it depends very much on your fitness level, although she has plans labeled beginner, moderate, and advanced. I think that if you are able to take that pause button, if you're a little bit lower on the physical level and you can continue to hit play later or take a quick break, then that's a possibility. But I do feel that her workouts are slightly more advanced. So it just depends on where you are in your total fitness and how that really works for you on a day-to-day basis. Taking a look into her workout programs and how easy that is to really follow. So she lists in her descriptions that you can go into her Instagram and go into her stories. So I found this a slightly messy. I wasn't exactly sure exactly what videos to go to. I had to look at Instagram and then go and reference that on YouTube to what videos were which for each day. So I would say that's not the easiest to follow, but once you probably figure out the flow, it's probably fine. It's just a matter of keeping up with it on a daily basis on her Instagram stories. Looking into the community, she has such a community across YouTube. So you're getting all these comments. People are talking about their progress, as well as Instagram on her main page, as well as her food blog, and then also via Facebook. I found her Facebook group as well as Pamela Reif support workout groups, which is really awesome to see. I love the community factor and how people are coming together to really support one another through their workouts. Awesome job on the community. Absolutely love it. When it comes to Pamela Reif and diet and meal planning, I think that she has done some amazing things here. So she just released a recipe and cookbook, which is awesome, as well as she has an entire page on her Instagram that's focused solely on different recipes. So if you want to check out how she's really eating and all those types of things, she's providing a lot of materials here, which I think is super helpful because you can't have the changes that you want to see in your body without coupling a really good diet along with this exercise program. Overall, you guys, I had such a great time doing Pamela's workouts, looking through all of her different recipes, checking out the community. Really absolutely enjoyed spending some time with this influencer and her programs and how she lays them out. Be sure to check out the CHLOE Ting as well as MADFIT, who's coming up next in this series. And in the finale, we'll find out who I think is the top of the ab shootout, and then we'll see what you guys think from your end. So if you have great results from any of these influencers, let me know. I've also received some feedback that you have some other ones that you'd like me to test out. So more coming your way. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of these, and I'll see you on the next Salts and Roses.